Hi, this is David with Fire Pit Outfitter in Colorado Hearth and Home, and wanted to show you our customizable round matchlet kit that we carry on our website. This is a closer view of our customizable matchlet kit. Comes with the burner plate. The burner, you choose what size plate and what size burner. It'll come with a manual on-off valve. There you can see the arrow for the gas flow. Gas going in from your gas supply, gas going out to the burner plate, and your flex lines. And these are whisper flex. You can see the corrugations, how they're loose and then tight, then loose, then tight. That'll eliminate annoying whistling from the gas flow going through these flex lines. And they're two 24-inch flex lines. The round pans we can make virtually any diameter up to 48 inches, and then you size the burner according to your burner plate or burner pan. The burner is always going to be a little smaller than your opening or the burner plate. I have set up here our customizable do-it-yourself kit with a round flat pan and a penta burner. It's the torpedo style, so it has the jetted ports. We have a 24-inch pan and an 18-inch burner in this example. This is a matchlet system, so you take an aim and flame lighter, light the lighter, put it over your burner, then turn your gas on. And we're running 150,000 BTUs to this burner, which is plenty, as you can see, for an 18-inch penta torpedo burner. Gives you a real tall, natural flame. The BTUs is dictated by the manual on-off valve, which limits it to 150,000 BTUs.